I actually hate this game. Every hit with any weapon I have hits with the exact same force as Naoya's punches. But despite that, I'm still going to try to beat this game with the knife. Take this shit all the way back down. Okay. So I played this before. I wanted to kill myself after playing that shit, but I'm gonna try it again. Oh shit. I mean, I guess, bro. Oh shit. Oof. Fuck. Oh, I'm getting killed. This is Jujutsu Kaisen, bro. Get me out. Oh, yeah, okay. This. Let me get my knife. Pull this shit like fucking Naoya. Alright, watch the projection sorcery. Yes. Bitch. Bitch. Oh. Hello. Okay. Bitch. I'm right clicking. I swear if I sell. Yo, I'm stabbing you, bro. I'm fucking retarded. Okay, thank goodness he did not hear this shit. Cool, go over there, bitch. Let me pick up my glass. Check that shit over there. Oh, and he sees me. Okay. 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 Bird. Register. Okay. You're a fucking bum. Okay. Yeah. Oh, he's looking directly at me. Okay. Us. Oh, you're the guy with the crowbar. I need you. Fight back. Fight back. Okay. Nice. Ah, fuck. Okay. Yeah, I swear if I saw. Us. Fuck you. Ooh, all of y'all, bro, all of y'all are on fraud watch, bro. I'm sorry. Ooh. Wait, do you have heals? No, you don't. Okay. Okay, there's a door right here. CCTV watching me. Spawn point. Watch the guy. Was there like some? Okay. Ooh, they'll never know.
No.
Oh my goodness, Valentine!
No.
Close that door. Hey, where'd I go? Oh my god. Bro, all y'all are so sorry, bro. I'm out of here. So, I think this is the final part.
Fight back, nigga! Fight back, nigga! Fight back!
Not come back.
If one man can hold you down, two can raise you.
お前は当時君やない雑魚の罪は強さを知らんぞで立つは俺放射塾は過度に物理法則や軌道を無視し同じ速度の術式発動時の加速度には上気を重ねれば重ねるほど出せる
Bro, who is this guy, bro? Yo, you were not invited.